Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air launches new brand identity and expands HVAC services. Company rebranding emphasizes HVAC expansion, sustainable solutions, and enhanced customer engagement. Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air, a leading provider of electrical, plumbing, heating, and air services in Washington, has announced a complete rebrand. This includes a strategic expansion of its HVAC division. Formerly known as Eco-Electric and Plumbing, the company's new name, logo, and user-friendly website are all part of a renewed commitment to provide a wider range of energy-efficient services to homeowners and businesses across the region. Eco has built a strong reputation for its customer-centric service and exceptional technical expertise. The company's enhanced offerings now include comprehensive HVAC services, such as installing and maintaining high-efficiency heating and cooling systems, smart thermostats, and air quality solutions that align with modern green building standards. A new era in HVAC services with a focus on sustainability. Eco's expansion in HVAC services reflects a deep focus on sustainable energy practices. By adding more high-performance, energy-saving heating and cooling options, Eco is prepared to meet the growing demand for green solutions. From installation and repair to energy-efficient upgrades, the company aims to make modern comfort more accessible and affordable. Our clients have always come first, and with the need for sustainable HVAC solutions growing, this expansion couldn't be timelier, said Corey Hesseltine, founder and owner. We're now better equipped than ever to help homeowners save on energy costs while ensuring top-tier comfort and indoor air quality. Rebranding to reflect a broader vision. The transition from Eco-Electric and Plumbing to Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air signals the company's forward-thinking vision and the continued evolution of its services. The new logo and redesigned website embody this commitment, making it easier for customers to explore Eco's expanded services, book appointments, and discover energy-efficient solutions. Expanding service areas to reach more communities. Building on its substantial presence in Seattle, Eco is extending its reach to additional cities, making high-quality electrical, plumbing, and HVAC services available to more Washington residents and businesses. With dedicated, highly trained technicians, the company serves various communities, including Bellevue, Milton, and Everett, offering support for residential and commercial properties. About Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air. Under the leadership of Corey Hesseltine, Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air has become a trusted name in the greater Seattle area, known for rapid response times and reliable service. With over a decade of industry experience, Corey is passionate about reshaping perceptions of the trades and prioritizing customer satisfaction. His dedication to quality and integrity has established Eco as a go-to provider for all electrical, plumbing, and HVAC needs. Looking ahead, Eco remains focused on pushing the boundaries of what's possible in HVAC, plumbing, and electrical services while keeping customer experience at the heart of everything they do. For more information, visit the newly redesigned website at ecoserviceswa.com. Contact Eco-Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air. Website https://www.ecoserviceswa.com. Phone 206-970-1031. Address 126 South Spokane Street, Seattle, Washington 98134.